Hey fam, welcome back to a Vision tutorial. Today we're diving into how you can set your records on vision.io. What are records? Records are various types of data that can be linked to your ENS name, such as URLs, descriptions, social media handles, addresses, and much more. Let me show you how to link those to your name. First off, head over to your profile on Vision and navigate to the Name Manager page for the name you want to add records to. Click on Open in Manager from the drop-down menu to get started. Next, switch to the second tab labelled Records here. You'll already see a list of potential records like email, X, Telegram, Discord, and others. To add or update your records, simply click on the Edit button right there. Here, I'm going to enter my Twitter handle. As you can see, there are additional tabs where you can add a variety of records to your name, such as wallet addresses, personal records, or even custom records. Let's add a personal description to my bio here. I'm a big fan of Vision, of course, so let's add in I love Vision. Once you're satisfied with your entries, go ahead and click the Save button to see a summary of your changes for confirmation. Then, just sign the transaction with your wallet to finalize the updates. And that's it. You've successfully added records to your name. To see them, just navigate to your profile where you'll find the social media buttons and your description displayed. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to follow us on social media to stay updated with all things Vision. See you next time.